Welcome back, guys. So for this fire hydrant drill, we're going to be using a box and a heavy plate to help me with my isometric tension that I'm trying to create against my hip. So to help us set up the position, I will get onto the edge of the box like this, one knee down to the floor, whichever leg that's going to go up, the opposite elbow is going to drop to the floor. Now here it is important that I am relatively square, meaning I do not want to be in a position where my knee is at the back of my opposite knee. So we need everything to be as square as possible when we are elevated, and my hips is not like leaning back like that. We need to push the hips forward, anteriorly tilt my tailbone, so as I am elevated onto the box, just like this, I have got an anterior tilt in my hips, okay? So, once we have put these points together, the opposite leg is onto the box, making sure that my back foot is at 90 degrees with my hip. I will be placing this heavy plate on top of my leg in order to stop me from moving it off the box. And once everything is set, I'm going to start pressing this hand down to the floor to give me leverage to be able to push this leg up. So we're going to push up for an increment of 10 seconds as hard as we can, trying to lift that foot off the box. And then we're going to get rid of the plate and push this leg away from me and off the box. So think of the pushing away, because you don't want to just think of I need to lift up. What happens when you lift up? You start leaning onto this leg and just takes away the load that we're trying to create in your glutes and the stretch that we're trying to create in your adductors. That's why think that I need to just be on top, not lean so much onto my side, and push the leg away, keeping all things in level and in line. So meaning you don't want the heel to be out and you're trying to press the knees down. So you need to be aware of that. Look back and see that if you're in a straight line, because that is what we're trying to create. In scenarios where that knee is not lifting off the box, that is potentially because your box is too high for your level. You don't have the stretch capacity in your adductors, or your glutes are limiting you. So you need to use a lower box to help you with this exercise, and then gradually elevate yourself into a higher box. Thanks for watching.